In today's tutorial, I have shown how to make this beautiful clay choker. I have made the Palash flower or the Beauty of flower, very common in the spring season. Hi, I'm Shaburi from hooktyloops.com. I make various kind of crafts tutorials in my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications, and don't forget to like, share and comment. We will begin our tutorial. I have used the Fevicryl molded as the air dry clay. It contains the resin base and the hardener. We will take little bit of powder and equal quantity of the resin base and the hardener and mix them together by folding them and rolling them until the mixture is completely white and uniform. Our mold is ready. We will take small quantity of the mold. Spread some powder on the surface on which we will roll out our mold. So cover the mold with powder. Take a roller and roll it out into a flat circular shape. Make it more or less circular. So the surface is ready. We will take a circular cardboard piece and stick it to our clay mold using the Fevicol or the fabric glue. We will just cut out the extra portion of the clay. In this manner. We will smoothen the edges of the circular clay portion using little bit of water in the fingertip. And when you are satisfied with the smoothened edges, just proceed to the next step. Now we will take any pointed object or any clay tool and make some textures on top of the clay surface as you wish. It's ready. Now we will make the flower. So spread some glue on top of the surface of the clay and give the shape of the flower with your fingers as I am showing you. The shaping is completely based on you, how you do it. You can use clay tools also. However, the shape of the flower is really easy. At first, make a comma shaped petal. Then take small portion of clay and flatten it in this manner for the remaining petals. And stick it to the surface like this and fold it for the realistic effect. In this manner we will be adding the other petals too. We will now be making the sepal of the flowers. So take 3 small pieces of clay and just flatten them and join them together in this manner as I am showing you. And stick them at the bottom of the flower. And our clay flower is ready. You can give some textures to the flower using the clay tool if you wish for the realistic effect. Our clay work is done and we will allow it to dry for at least 3 hours, and it's dried up completely. Now we will start painting it. At first we will paint it completely white. The white color will act as the primer for the other colors. We are using acrylic paint for this portion. And when the white color is dried up, just start painting your work based on your own imagination. And we will quickly complete our painting. We have nearly come to the end of our painting, and once it has dried out completely, we will just add a layer of wood gloss on top of it for the glossy effect of our pendant. I have used a dendrite wood shine wood gloss for the glossy effect. So it's ready. We will now add the string to our pendant. For the string, I have used embroidery floss and crocheted chains to it. I have marked the central portion of the strings. I have used 2 strings. Now we will be sticking the strings at the back side of the pendant using the fabric glue. You can use any glue of your choice. Okay, we will let it dry, and in the meantime we will decorate our work using some thread beads and some ghungroos. So we will pass the thread beads through the strings one by one, and after the thread beads, pass a ghungroo in this manner. You will get a tutorial on how to make the thread beads in my old videos, so just check it out. Okay, so we will do the same thing on the other side, and our clay jewelry is ready. So our spring necklace is ready. At the back side, we are just taking a piece of cotton fabric and it's ready. Let's just let it dry. So our clay choker is ready, just perfect for this spring. Just wear them with any contrasting colored sari and you will just rock the party. I hope you liked this tutorial and it was easy to follow. If you like this tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section for any queries, and also mention if you want to see any other kind of videos. I will just love to make those for you. And thank you and have a great day, and please subscribe to my channel.